Hi, my name is Bryce Humerick, and I did my individual project on a decision support system on whether to buy or lease as it pertains to Case 12. To begin, let me tell you what a decision support system is so that you can get an understanding of what I did for Case 12. A decision support system is a flexible and interactive IT system that is designed to support decision making. It consists of three components: the model management component, the data management component, and the user interface management component. Let's begin with the model management component. Model management is a representation of some fact or situation that enables companies to represent variables and their relationships. The next component in a decision support system is data management. The information and data that a decision support system will use is contained in the data management component. Lastly, the user interface management component allows users to communicate with the decision support system by inputting commands and information, and in the end justify or support a sound decision. I applied the concept of decision support systems to Case 12. Case 12 was about a company called On the Vine Grapes who was contemplating either leasing or buying a new truck. I developed a decision support system, or a DSS, to assist them in deciding whether to buy or lease a new truck. I used the first component of DSS, model management, to show what factors go into finding how much leasing a truck is and how much buying a truck is. As you can see, each alternative has different factors including mileage costs, down payments, and interest costs. After finding out these costs and totaling them, the company will then be able to make a decision on whether to buy or lease a new truck. They can find these totals by moving on to the next DSS component, data management. For this component, I assembled a spreadsheet that laid out all the costs associated with buying the truck and all the costs associated with leasing the truck. It's evident that after the 3-year lease and loan, leasing the truck would be cheaper. However, is it the best choice for the company? I will answer this question following the last component of DSS. Next, I developed a user interface that would allow the company to input various values and prices into the Excel spreadsheet so that they could figure out the cost of leasing and buying their new truck. I included formulas in the spreadsheet so that all they had to do was input the data and the math would be done for them. Once the company enters the data, they can review the totals and make a sound decision on whether to buy or lease. I've come to the conclusion that although it's cheaper to lease, as shown in the data management component, in the long run it will be cheaper to have bought the truck. After the 3-year lease is up on the truck, the company will have to give the dealership the truck back and lease another one. After the second lease is up, the company will have spent more money on leasing than they would have if they just bought the truck. If the company was trying to save money right now, however, leasing the truck may be their best choice. It's clear that with the use of decision support systems, difficult decisions like this one can be made with ease.